Lwandile, a very good morning to you. Talk to us about the plans that you have heard of with regards to keeping people safe in the Eastern Cape.
Greetings to you, Blaine, and greetings to everyone watching at home. We are at the Police Academy here in Mthatha. Police Minister, Provincial Commissioner, National Commissioner, the MEC for Safety and Transport, they are all here. And if I can just step out of shot, you will see that a number of police officers are just standing there. They will be addressed by the Police Minister and other police management team today. And just to tell you about the area that we are in Mthatha, and you will know that Mthatha is an economic hub of the OR Tambo region. There are many rural areas, but people do descend to Mthatha for your grocery shopping for the festive season. Also talking about the OR Tambo region, you will know that we have many tourist destinations. To mention a few, we have Coffee Bay, we have Port St. John's, we have Lusikisiki, where people like to visit during the festive season. But today we have heard that just after the police minister addresses the police officers, he will be going to different areas around Mthatha, the taxi ranks, where he will be talking to commuters, where he will be talking to taxi operators, and also to other communities. There is a community here that is called Polo Park. That is the area that he will be visiting, to also just give you an idea of the crime, the kind of crimes that are very rife in this area. Rape is one of them, murder is one of them, car hijackings is one of them. I was also told that just after this briefing, just after this, just after he addresses these people, he will have a briefing with the local police management, where he will be told about the kind of crimes that do occur in this area and what they actually need to do to actually address the kind of crimes that actually occur in this area during this time of the year. Back to you in studio, Blaine.
Crime is an element with regards to we need to pay attention, obviously, during the festive season, but COVID-19 is another. What about health safety in your province, Lwandile? I'm just looking at the latest numbers, case numbers in the Eastern Cape. The new cases, 651, relatively low compared to other provinces, but still sitting with active cases of over 14,000. What's the feeling in the province from those that you have spoke to? The Northwest, we had reports of travelers having mixed feelings with regards to COVID-19 vaccinations. What are you hearing on the ground?
Blaine, just 2 days ago, we were speaking to holiday makers in Port St. John's. One of the things they were mentioning is that they are actually happy that this time of the year, this time around, actually, they will be spending time with their family members. You will remember during this time last year, the numbers were increasing. We were actually on the third wave. The beaches here in the Eastern Cape were closed. People were not able to visit anywhere. We spent a lot of time. We remember there were a lot of people actually trying to access the second beach in Port St. John's, but they were turned away by officials. So people are very happy, that the numbers are not as bad as they were last year, because now they're actually going to do what they actually do in other years. They're actually going to spend time with their families. They're actually going to be visiting all these tourism destinations, so that is what we have heard from the people on the ground. And I think they will be also happy to see the police minister visiting this area, because we need safety in those beaches as well, in Port St. John's, in Coffee Bay. We need safety in those areas, and we hope that the police management will be able to tell the police minister to actually intensify police presence in places like Mthatha, where you will actually see a lot of people during this time of the year. Places like Port St. John's, where everyone will descend to Port St. John. So people will be happy to see the police minister in this area, and also they will be happy, that the police visibility is intensified and they will be safer this time of the year.
you raise an important point. High police visibility acts normally as a deterrent. Are you seeing that already in the areas that you're visiting in the Eastern Cape?
Yes, I can say we have been seeing them. You know, I remember we're traveling on Sunday in the afternoon on the road. The traffic officers were there on the road, you know, trying to ensure that motorists, you know, are safe, motorists are sober. You know, even in Port St. John's, when you sit in the beach, you know, for like maybe 30 minutes, you will see a police vehicle driving past, you know, inspecting, just ensuring that people are safe in those areas. So we have been seeing a lot of police visibility. We have been seeing traffic officers visible on the roads, you know, in different roads, on the N2, on the R61. So now I can really confirm that we have been seeing a lot of police officers, but I don't know what will change after this visit, after this inspection by the police minister. Hopefully we will see more police officers. Also, one thing I can also mention is that the national traffic officers are also visible in places like Mthatha, where we have a lot of traffic of travelers, people, you know, going from different destinations. You know that Mthatha, you know, if you're going from East London to Durban, you will travel through N2 to Mthatha, also R61 to the Port St. John side. So we don't know what will change after this police this visit by the minister, but hopefully we will see a change.
Yeah, I know that route well. Traveled there many times. Lwandile, Mbulali, live for us in Mthatha in the East Cape. Thank you, sir.